up, YouTube? I'm back, guys, with another segment of Cooking with Cookie. Cooking, what you do? Cooking with Cookie. I hate that girl. I do. Because, like, we're out here chefing hard. And she's booming right now. We got to get me there. We got to get me some subscriptions, some likes, the whole shebang. I'm just messing with y'all. So today, what we're doing is I am about to make breakfast. And I said, let me cut on the camera because I haven't been on here in a little bit. I was under the weather. And I made a little sweet and sour chicken video. If you want to see it, it's like 5 minutes, really fast. You guys should go watch it. Check it out. Let me know. Let me know. So today, I'm making a bacon, egg and cheese biscuit. I am from New York, as you guys know, and I've been living in Florida, and I can't find a bacon, egg, and cheese out here. So I gotta make it myself. But today I'm doing it McDonald's style. I'm doing it on a biscuit. So you guys come with me to make my breakfast and see how I do my little 1-2 Sammy, all right? So let's get started on the biscuits. Here I got some bacon, some eggs, and my biscuits. I didn't get my usual biscuit. This is Aldi's version of fluffy biscuits, but it's not bad. I mean, it's no Pillsbury in them, but we're gonna make it work, all right? So you do just like always, rip off the paper and bust that can open. I'm going to end up having extra biscuits, which I will save. My daughter might want to make herself something when she comes in with the biscuits. You guys know, if you've seen one of my other videos, is we have the video with my famous chicken biscuit. That chicken biscuit be busting. I should have put some sauce that day to show you guys how it is with the sauce, but I didn't. I'm guilty. I'm only going to make 4 of these biscuits. No funny. Maybe 5. I think I'll fit one in the center of this little pan. I just took out my little pan. So first you just get all your biscuits. Biscuits is easy to make, but with me, whenever I'm making my biscuits, I always add some butter to the top. Just a little slice, and just let that kind of just go in on the top. Makes it soft. Helps with it, you know. Keep it nice and fluffed. Okay, honey? So you're gonna put this in the oven. I don't know if theirs is the same as thing, but I'm gonna put them in the oven until they're brown. I always put my oven on 375 when I'm making biscuits. I don't do 400 because I don't want my biscuits to come out extra dark and crispy. I like them gold and soft, right? So I'm gonna put this in the oven, and then we're gonna, while we're waiting, we're gonna make ourselves some bacon. Right, guys, I'm over at the stove with my bacon. I got lower sodium bacon because, and they're super thin. So I took up a few slices. I might not even need all of those slices. I was cooking something the other day and went to go and do something, and I burnt my frying pan to death. So I gotta go, and I'm gonna go this week and work on getting myself 2 new skillets for you guys, because the other one is just super burnt up. I know this one, it's kind of hard for you guys to see what I'm working with inside of the pot, but maybe you can see a little bit my bacon. I'll put it about here, maybe you guys can still see. So I'm gonna fry up this bacon. If shorty, you dating a girl, fellas, and she puts the egg in first, dump her. It's over between you two, okay? She gotta put the bacon in first, okay? That's just the rules. It's just the rules. Like, she's bugging out if she don't, okay? Because then your eggs are frozen cold while you're trying to fry up a whole thing of bacon. Just doesn't add up. All right, so I'm gonna let these fry up, y'all. And then after I take them out, we're gonna start working on our egg. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my little scrambled egg. It's always the fluffiest. Everyone loves my fluffy scrambled egg. All right, so that's coming up next. All right, guys, I'm back. I got my little bowl, and I got my 2 eggs, and I took out my bacon and left a little bit of that bacon grease. And we're gonna crack these 2 eggs, show you guys how I get my stuff fluffy. Crack these 2 eggs. like so. And look, just whip, 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 whip. I'm talking about keep whipping like a crazy person. It's gonna make your egg extra fluffy. I use a fork. Some people use a whisk if you want to be technical. You add your pepper, and you add a pinch of salt, just a pinch of the high blood pressure, and you go back in with the whisk, 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 whisk. And then you just dump it in the pot. You just dump it in the pot. Nothing too hard. If your girlfriend can't make eggs, you gotta go. And don't forget, the eggs come after the bacon, girlies. If you're watching me, don't let him catch you putting in your egg before you put in that bacon. I'm telling you. My mom just said that this was a good brand of bacon, you guys. So we're gonna stick to Aldi's low sodium bacon because some bacon is no bueno, no good for you, clogged arteries. All right, so now we have some nice fluffy eggs going. I'm gonna take out my biscuit and get it cut up, and you guys are gonna watch me plate up this bussin' bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. All right, come over, guys. I got my little cute board. If you guys want one of these, they're at Dollar Tree. It's so cute for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna use that to plate up my beautiful sandwich. Okay, I got some mild cheddar here, y'all. Put that on top. Get that on my egg. Ooh, this biscuits is something serious. Burning myself. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this. All right, y'all. Look at this bad boy on my cute little chopping board. Look at this. Look at us, honey. All right, you know what we about to do. We about to try this. We are donezo. I showed you guys how cute it looks. And you know what I'm about to do. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Yeah. Want a bite? I'll get you some. What I normally tell y'all. Done forgot. I tell y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Come back to the channel so we can make some more bussin'. This is really good. I'm telling you, I've been in Florida all this time. I can't find a bacon, egg, and cheese. Like, it's just my thing. Come back to the channel so we can get cooking. Good lookings. Bye!
Damn, girl, I like how you dance. Shit, you look so good shaking those hips. Get the ball